I can remember the first time that I saw words appear on my screen at the exact moment that they crossed through my mind. I remember everything about that moment, but most of all, I remember thinking that this is something everyone needs to experience. People ask me all the time, what is the speed of thought? What does that even mean? This is about so much more than just words per minute. This is about creating an unprecedented fluency between human beings and machine. How can we teach the whole world this amazing skill? The technology's here. The only thing that's been missing up until now is the education.
I am so excited to be your instructor. It's time to bring the power of ultra high-speed text entry to the masses. In ChorderClub, we're going to teach you to learn how to type at the speed of thought. We'll start with the basics, and then we'll work our way all the way up through advanced chording techniques. Generative text menus, impulse chording, dupe keys. It's all so much fun, and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. Each lesson introduces new concepts and shows you how to incorporate those new concepts into your daily practice using a special training tool. No matter who you are or how you use a computer, we will be with you every step of the way. This is a course that anyone can benefit from, so come learn with us. You'll be joining a movement to create a new HCI standard for the digital age. This is not a typing class. This is ChorderClub.